Hello students, today we will learn about our skeletal system. Before we begin, let us answer a question. What gives shape and support to the body? You are absolutely right. The skeletal system gives shape and support to the body. Along with the muscular system, it makes the movement of the body possible. Do you know what a skeleton is? The framework of bones in our body is called the skeleton. It is covered with flesh and skin. The skeleton not only gives shape and support to our body, but it also protects our internal organs. For example, the skull protects the brain, and the rib cage protects the heart and the lungs. Let's now look at the different parts of the skeleton. The skull, backbone, rib cage, limbs and girdles are some important components of our skeletal system. Let's look at the first part of the skeleton system, that is, the skull. The skull is the bony structure that surrounds and protects the brain. The skull is made up of 22 bones. 8 flat bones fuse to form the brain case. The face and jaw contain 14 bones. The next part of the skeleton system is the backbone, which provides support to the body. It is attached to the base of the skull and is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae. Therefore, the backbone is also known as vertebral column. The vertebral column protects the spinal cord, which is a bundle of nerves that extends downwards from the brain. Since the backbone is made up of many small bones, we are able to bend and twist the backbone in different directions. The third important part of the skeleton system is the rib cage. It protects the heart and the lungs. Ribs are a set of 12 pairs of long, curved bones that surround the chest in the form of a cage. Ribs are joined to the backbone at the back and to the breastbone at the front. The last 2 pairs are called floating ribs, as they are joined only to the backbone and not to the breastbone. Now, let us understand about the limbs. We have 2 pairs of limbs, upper limbs and lower limbs. Upper limbs, the upper arm and the lower arm together make the upper limbs. The upper arm is made up of the humerus, which is joined at the elbow with a pair of bones to form the lower arm. The upper arm bone is joined to the spine with the help of shoulder bones or the shoulder girdle. The shoulder girdle consists of a pair of shoulder blades and a pair of collar bones. Lower limbs. The upper leg and the lower leg together form lower limbs. The upper leg is made up of the femur or the thigh bone. It is attached to the hip bones or the hip girdle. Now, it's time for a quick quiz to reinforce our understanding. Quiz 1. How many movable bones does the skull have? A. 1, B. 2, C. 20, D. 22. The correct answer is A. 1. Quiz 2. Which of these organs are protected by the rib cage? A. Heart, B. Brain, C. Lungs, D. Spinal cord. The correct answer is both A and C, heart and lungs. Quiz 3. Which is the longest bone in human body? A. Humerus. B. Femur. C. Tibia. D. Fibula. The correct answer is B. Femur. Now students, plan a visit to your school's biology lab with your teacher and look at the specimen of the skeleton kept there. Identify the different parts of the skeletal system. We will meet again with another interesting lesson. Until then, bye.